Google Photos Partner Sharing Remove. In this video, I will show you how can you easily remove someone from Google Photos with whom you have been sharing your photos. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open the Google Photos application in your phone device and click on your profile icon and go to Settings. There you will see the option of sharing. Click on it and then it will show the option of partner sharing. Once you click on it, you will see the details of your partner, and at the end you will see the option of remove partner. Click on remove partner and then done. You have successfully removed them as your Google sharing partner and you no longer will be sharing any photos with them. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.